Hello my dear students, my name is Hanmant Ladwa. Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video we are going to solve exercise 1.1, question number 4. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Let us consider the first one, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So let us find the solution for the given problem. Here we will write T2 minus T1 is equal to, so second term is 4 minus T1 is first term, that is 2, which gives me 4 minus 2 is 2. Next is T3 minus T2. Here T3 is 8 minus T2 is 4. 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Next T4 minus T3. T4 is 16 minus T3 is 8, which is equal to 8. Here you can see here the common difference is not the same. Therefore, it is not an AP. Now let us move on to second question. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Let us write T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 5 by 2 minus T1 is 2 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 whole divided by 2. So this gives me 5 minus 4 is 1 divided by 2. Next T3 minus T2, which is equal to, T3 is 3 minus T2 is 5 by 2, which is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1 divided by 2. Next T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is 7 by 2 minus T3 is 3, which is equal to 7. 2 3s are 6 minus 6 whole divided by 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 divided by 2. Here the common difference is 1 by 2. Now in the question they have asked write 3 more terms. So in order to find the next 3 terms, we have to add this 1 by 2 to the last term to get the next term. So let us write T5 is equal to, because this is the first, second, third and fourth term. Next we need to find fifth term. So T5 is equal to, the last term is 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. The common difference is equal to, here the LCM is 2. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 divided by 2, which gives me 4. Next T6 is equal to, add 1 by 2 to this 4. 4 plus 1 by 2, which gives me 4 2s are 8 plus 1 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9 divided by 2. Next T7 is equal to, add 1 by 2 the common difference to 9 by 2. Here 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, the LCM is 2, 9 plus 1, which is equal to 10 by 2. This gives me 5. So therefore another 3 terms are, the first term is 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Let us move on to the third question. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. So let us write T2 minus T1. That gives me the common difference. Here T2 is minus 3 0.2 minus T1 is minus 1.2, which is equal to minus 3.2. Minus into minus is plus 1.2. Here minus 3.2 plus 1.2 gives us minus 2. Now we will write T3 minus T2. So T3 is minus 5.2 minus of T2 is minus 3.2, which is equal to minus 5.2. Minus into minus is plus 3.2. So this gives us minus 2. Next, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is minus 7.2 minus of minus T3 is minus 5.2, which is equal to minus 7.2. Minus into minus is plus 5.2. So this gives me minus 2. The common difference is minus 2. Therefore, in order to find the next 3 more terms, we have to add this minus 2 to the last term. Here we will write T5 is equal to minus 7.2 plus minus 2. This gives us minus 7.2 plus into minus is minus 2, which is equal to 9 minus 9.2. Here T6 is equal to, add this minus 2 to minus 9.2. Minus 9.2 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 9.2 plus into minus is minus 2, which is equal to minus 11.2. Next, T7 is equal to minus 11.2 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 11.2 plus into minus is minus 2, which is equal to minus 13.2. Another 3 terms are minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Now let us solve the fourth question. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 and so on. So let us write here T2 minus T1, which is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 10, which is equal to minus 6. Minus into minus is plus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 gives me 4. Next, T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is minus 2 minus of T2 is minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. Minus into minus is plus 6, which is equal to plus 4. Next, T4 minus T3 is equal to, T4 is 2 minus of minus T3 is minus 2, which is equal to 2. Minus into minus is plus 2. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. So here the common difference D is equal to 4 is the same. So therefore it forms an AP. Here we will write the next 3 terms by adding this common difference 4 to the last term. So that is T5 is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So T6 is equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. T7 is equal to 10 plus 4, which is equal to 14. So let us move on to question number 5. 3, 3 plus square root of 2, 3 plus 2 square root of 2, 3 plus 3 square root of 2, and so on. So here we'll write T2 minus T1, which is equal to T2 is 3 plus square root of 2 minus T1 is 3. So this plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. We remain with square root of 2. Next, T3 minus T2, which is equal to T3 is 3 plus 2 square root of 2 minus of 3 plus square root of 2. Here 3 plus 2 square root of 2 minus 3, minus into plus is minus square root of 2. Here this plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. If we subtract square root of 2 from 2 square root of 2 gives me again square root of 2, that is 1 square root of 2. Here T4 minus T3 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2 minus of T3 is 3 plus 2 square root of 2, which is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2 minus 3, minus into plus is minus 2 square root of 2. Here this plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 is 1 square root of 2, that is square root of 2. So therefore the common difference D is equal to square root of 2 is the same, therefore it forms an arithmetic progression. So next 3 terms can be determined by adding this common difference square root of 2 to the last term. Here we will write T5 is equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 2 plus square root of 2, which is equal to 3 plus 1 is 4 square root of 2. Here T6 is equal to 3 plus 4 square root of 2 plus the common difference, that is square root of 2, is equal to 3 plus 4 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is 5 square root of 2. Next T7 is equal to 3 plus 5 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is equal to 3 plus 5 square root of 2 plus 1 square root of 2 is 6 square root of 2. So therefore another 3 terms are 3 plus 4 square root of 2, 3 plus 5 square root of 2, and 3 plus 6 square root of 2. Now let us move on to question number 6. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. Here let us take T2 minus T1 is equal to, here T2 is 0.22 minus 0.2. So this gives me 0.202. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to, here T3 is 0.222 minus T2 is 0.22, which is equal to 0.002. Therefore the common difference is not the same. Therefore it is not an arithmetic progression. Now let us consider question number 7. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, and so on. So here we will write T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is minus 4, T1 is 0, which is equal to minus 4. So here T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is minus 8 minus T2 is minus 4, which is equal to minus 8 minus into minus is plus 4. 8 minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. T4 minus T3 is equal to T4 is minus 12 minus of T3 is minus 8, which is equal to minus 12 plus minus into minus is plus 8, which is equal to again minus 4. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to minus 4. Therefore, it is an AP. The next three terms can be determined by adding this minus 4 to the last term. So here we will write T5 is equal to minus 12 plus minus 4, which is equal to minus 12 plus into minus is minus 4, which is equal to minus 16. Next, T6 is equal to minus 16 plus minus 4, that is the common difference, is equal to minus 16 plus into minus is minus 4, which is equal to minus 20. T7 is equal to minus 20 plus the common difference minus 4, which is equal to minus 20 plus into minus is minus 4 is equal to minus 24. Therefore, another three terms are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Now let us move on to question number 8. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and so on. So let us write T2 minus T1 is equal to T2 is minus 1 by 2, T1 is minus of minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. Next, T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. So therefore, the common difference D is equal to 0. Therefore, it is an AP. Let us find the next three terms by adding this common difference D is equal to 0 to the last term. Here we will write T5 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus the common difference is 0, which gives me minus 1 by 2. T6 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus the common difference is 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2. T7 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus the common difference 0 is equal to again minus 1 by 2. Therefore, another three terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Now let us move on to the ninth question. 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Here we will write T2 minus T1 is equal to T2 is 3 minus T1 is 1, which is equal to 2. Here T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is 9, T2 is minus 3, which is equal to 6. Here the common difference is not the same. Therefore, it is not an arithmetic progression. Now let us solve question 10. A, 2a, 3a, 4a, so on. Here we will write T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is 2a minus T1 is a is equal to 2a minus a is a. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to 3a minus T2 is 2a is equal to a. T4 minus T3 is equal to 4a minus 3a is equal to a. The common difference D is equal to a here. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. Now we can add this a to the last term to get the next term. So let us write T5 is equal to 4a plus a is equal to 5a. T6 is equal to this 5a plus common difference a is equal to 6a. T7 is equal to 6a plus a is equal to 7a. Therefore, another three terms are 5a, 6a and 7a. Now let us move on to the 11th question. A square, a cube, a to the power 4 and so on. Here T2 minus T1 is equal to, T2 is a square minus T1 is a, which is equal to, if I take common out, we will get a into a minus 1. Now T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is a cube minus T2 is a square. If I take a square common out, we will remain with a minus 1. Here the common difference is not the same. Therefore, it is not an AP. Now let us move on to the 12th question. Square root of 2, square root of 8, square root of 18, square root of 32 and so on. Here we will simplify these terms. Square root of 2, square root of 8 can be written as 2 into 4. Square root of 18 can be written as 2 into 9. Square root of 32 can be written as 2 into 16. So here square root of 2 and this 4 is a perfect square which will come out as 2, and this square root of 2 remains as it is. Next 3 3s are 9, so this 3 will come out and this square root of 2 remains as it is. Next 4 4s are 16 and this square root of 2 remains as it is. Now let us find the common difference. T2 minus T1 is equal to, here T2 is 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2, which gives us 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 gives me 1 square root of 2. Here it is square root of 2. T3 minus T2 is equal to, here T3 is 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2, which gives me again 1 square root of 2. Next T4 minus T3 is equal to, here T4 is 4 square root of 2 minus T3 is 3 square root of 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 square root of 2 is square root of 2. Therefore, the common difference D is equal to square root of 2. Now let us add this square root of 2 to the next term, last term, to get the next term. So t5 is equal to 4 square root of 2 plus the common difference square root of 2 is equal to 5 square root of 2. And if I bring this 5 inside the square root, it will become 25. 2 into 25, which is equal to 2 into 25 is 50. So here we'll write square root of 50. Next, t6 is equal to 5 square root of 2 plus square root of 2, which is equal to 6 square root of 2 is equal to, if I bring this 6 inside the square root, it will become 36. Square root of 2 into 36 is equal to square root of 36 into 2 is 72. Next, t7 is equal to 6 square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is equal to 7 square root of 2, and when I bring this 7 inside the square root, it will become 49. 7 sevens are 49. So square root of 2 into 7 sevens are 49 is equal to square root of 98. Therefore, the another 3 terms are square root of 50, square root of 72 and square root of 98. Now let us solve question number 13. Square root of 3, square root of 6, square root of 9, square root of 12 and so on. So let us write t2 minus t1 is equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 3. Next, t3 minus t2 is equal to, t3 is square root of 9 minus t2 is square root of 6, which gives me 9. Square root of 9 gives me 3 minus square root of 6. Here you can see the common difference is not the same. So the common difference is not the same. Therefore, it is not an AP. Let us move on to question number 14. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and so on. Here we can write 1 square is 1, 3 square is 3 3s are 9, 5 square is 5 5s are 25, 7 square is 7 7s are 49 and so on. Let us write t2 minus t1 is equal to 9 minus 1, which gives me 8. t3 minus t2 is equal to 25 minus 9, which gives us 16. Here the common difference is not the same. Therefore, it is not an AP. So let us move on to the 15th question. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 and so on. So let us write 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 and so on. So this can be written as 1, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 73 and so on. Here t2 minus t1 is equal to 25 minus 1, which gives me 24. t3 minus t2 is equal to 49 minus 25, which gives me again 24. Next, t4 minus t3 is equal to 73 minus 49, again it gives 24. Here the common difference is 24. The common difference D is equal to 24. Therefore, it is an AP. The next three terms can be determined by adding the common difference 24 to the last term. Here T5 is equal to last term is 73 plus 24. Here this gives me 97. Next T6 is equal to 97 plus 24, which gives me 121. Next T7 is equal to 121 plus 24 gives me 145. Therefore, the another three terms are 97, 121, 145. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.